There's roofing right here. Somebody's roof is tearing off. Yep. Look at this. That was easily 85 to 90 mile an hour winds right there.
Yeah. Should have turned this on sooner.
Oh my gosh. I've never seen anything like that in my life. I could not see.
I know.
Trees down, there's a roof. That was a huge microburst. I didn't want to pull into a carport, Dave, because I don't want that carport to get...
Yeah, but they were so loud, and it was...
Is he awake?
He is now. Hi, bud.
I've never seen anything like that in my life.
It was like a tornado.
It wasn't like one, it was one, I think.
Yeah.
Did you see the roof that got ripped off?
Yep.
Look at these trees down right here.
Holy cow. Yep.
That had to be at least 80 mile an hour winds.
At least.
I felt the back end of the car lift, like it was coming up off the ground.
Important update, the tornado warning for the storm north of Apache Junction has been canceled. Still, we can see some strong storms tonight. We'll see you at 10.